Hey everyone, it's Anne here from Positively Papercraft, and I'm back again with another video. Now, I was on Pinterest the other day. I want to show you what I came across, and I came across this real little Chanel kind of case handbag. It's obviously a handbag, but it's more like a case, and I thought, oh, I wonder if we can try and make that with paper. So that is what we're going to try. So I'm using black. I hate using black on camera, but I wanted to make it pretty much similar to that one. So I've got a piece of 12 by 12. We're going to score it at 4 inches and 8 inches. Turn it round and do the same again, 4 inches and 8 inches. Now I've got a piece which will be our lid. This is 8 by 8 inches. Hang on, I'm just double checking these measurements. Yeah, we want to score all 4 sides at 1 and 2 inches. So 1, 2, and just keep turning it round and doing the same. All right. Then we have got, well, actually we'll do them bits later. So just fold and burnish the big piece. Now, what we want to do with this is we now have 9 squares. So the bottom right hand square of any side, it doesn't matter which. We're going to cut up here, right, we're going to mite it in, like that, and then we're just going to remove about 3/4 of an inch from the bottom. Turn again, so we are always cutting the bottom right hand square. And again, the bottom right hand square. So you will end up with this, and it will just basically all fold in, and this will create our little case bag, the base of it. Alright, now what I've done as well is I have cut out, I think it's around about 18 pieces of these little black glitter pieces of card, and they're roughly 4 inches in length, and I would say they're about 1/4 of an inch wide. And this is going to be my decoration. So basically I will have, I'm going to glue on all 4 sides, and this is going to be like my decoration that was very similar to the bag in the picture. So I'm going to glue them on something like that. Okay, so that'll be like the feature. So I think what I'll do is, because it's going to be, well, obviously you can glue it when it's on, but I think I'm going to glue these on before I stick it together. So just make sure you don't stick them on the wrong piece, you want them, you know, you don't want to stick them on the bits that you've cut. So for example, I definitely know I want the pieces here, so I'll stick one on and then I'll do the rest off camera, because it's just straightforward really. And then we will then glue the Okay, I have popped them all on, and as I said, be careful because I'm out of line with a couple of the sides. That one there is okay, that one there is not, that one's terrible. This one's okay, so yeah, I'm out of line with a couple, so just bear that in mind. Then you just want glue down all 4 of these big tabs, and then it's just going to go together like that. Okay, so I'm just going to quickly glue all this together and then I'll come back. Alright, so I've got the lid and I've folded and burnished it, and we're basically going to cut up these 4 squares, remove the 2 bottom ones, and then we are going to mite it in there, and we're going to get rid of the end one. So we should have that. I'm going to repeat the same on all 4 sides. Okay. Okay, so you should end up with that. Then we need glue on all 4 of these. I'm just going to stick this. Okay, there's our little lid. Now the lid is the exact same size as the box, so what we're going to do is we're going to put like a kind of reinforced little piece in it. Now I've also got some of these for the lid as well, so you're going to have to get them kind of in the same position as the other, so that they look as if they're coming round. So I am gonna glue these on the top of my lid, and I'll be straight back. Okay, so I've done the lid and there is the box as well. Now you need a piece which is 1 inch by 4 inches, scored in the middle at 1/2 inch. Now take what you're having as the back of your lid, and we want to stick it just like that, so it's like half on and half off at the score line. So glue on here, and then you want this just on the back of your lid, but make sure you're not gluing the score line onto it as well. Make sure that's stuck down. Like that, okay. Now you're going to stick, I'm just going to fold this over the other way as well. So your lid is going to go on, so you want this to stick so it's all kind of flush like this. Do you see? So I'm going to put glue on the back of here. And I'm going to place the lid on the top of the box so it's all nice and flush all the way around. Then I'm going to keep this glued down at the back. Okay. And you can tip it like that, just so you can press it down. So it's stuck already. Obviously, because we're sticking ours over the glitter, so what I should have done was put the back of the glitter on at the end after I had stuck this bit, but I didn't think. So if I was you, I would do it that way. And then once it's on, you can then get your fingers in and make sure it's stuck. And that basically creates our little lid. Now, to stop this lid from dropping in on itself, we need another piece of card, which is 1 by 12 scored in the middle at half. Now we're going to glue this piece together, so just glue down one of the sides. Okay, glue it together. Okay, and what's going to happen is then what we're going to do is we are going to have it, so I just kind of eyeball where I think I need it, because you can adjust it. So you're talking about roughly 4 inches you want the distance of each side, because we made it 4 by 4 by 4. And if it is slightly too big, you can just trim it off. It's just to stop the lid from dropping in on itself, that's all. I've made these loads of times for different stuff. That looks okay to me. And then I'm just going to trim a little bit, so you might just need it like 11 3/4 long or something. And we're going to stick it so it sits up and it doesn't allow the lid to drop in. So then we need just a little bit of glue along the and things. And then when we close the lid, just be wary of the sides catching as you're trying to close it. That keeps catching there. And this will stop our lid from falling in inside our little case, you see. So I'm quite happy with that. Now I've took 4 ovals, I've cut 4 out and I've glued them all together, so they've created a really thick piece because this is going to be our handle. Then I've took a bit of gold foil and I would say I've cut it to about just over 2 inches by 1/2 inch wide. What I'm going to do is I am going to stick this on the top like a little ring, and then this is going to hold my little handle. So I'm going to glue one side down first, so just glue on there like that, and I'm going to glue that about here, and then that will come round like that, and that will hold my little handle on the top. So then you've got to put your little oval in now, and then we want a bit of glue on here, and that is going to glue around there, and then this should hold. And obviously with gluing 4 of them together, it's really thick. Now I've cut out a little silver oval the same size, and I want to pop this inside just as like a little mirror effect. So I am just going to stick that inside, so when you open it up, it looks like we've got a cute little mirror in there. I mean, you don't have to decorate it the way I've done it. You could put some fancy paper on or whatever you want. And then I've cut out a small, no actually I think it was the inside from here, no, just a smaller little oval. And I've just took an alphabet die and I've cut out 2 little C's, the letter C, to match that, which is like a copper foil. And all I'm going to do is, I'm sure it's like that, isn't it, where they kind of like overlap, and that's going to be like our little Chanel logo, which I thought was really cute. Down, and then just close. So you don't really need a closure now because you have this kind of stabilizer piece in the middle. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to then pop that on there as my little logo. So I'm just going to pop a little, I'm just going to stick it obviously onto the top because we don't want it to like glue the bag together. And there we go. I'm quite pleased with that. I think that's turned out quite pretty. But yeah, as I said, you can decorate it any way you want. But yeah, I love that. So I'll put all the info on my blog, and I will be back again soon with another tutorial. So have a go, because I think they would look nice decorated in loads of different ways. And when you open it, there is quite a lot of room in there to get loads of goodies and things in there. So yeah, hope you enjoy it. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye for now.